Welcome to Cabana Ice Pops, summer's hottest way to stay cool. We set out with the goal of making the most sensational ice pops in the world. And now, for the first time with the Cabana Ice Pop Kit, you can too. Making ice pops has never been easier. Our patent-pending ice pop molds are stylish and easy to use and produce dazzling ice pops that are simply unmatched. Simply blend, pour, decorate, freeze, and enjoy. We are very proud to offer the Cabana Ice Pop Kit designed, manufactured, packaged, and distributed in the USA. Simply go to cabanaicepops.com and start celebrating summer with Cabana today.